Hello everyone, I'm Cindyrella Mercado of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics 2A. So our lesson for today will be the different measures of position. We have the first quartile, the decile, and the percentile. So when we say measures of position, it gives us a way to see where a certain data point or value falls in on a distribution. So here on the presentation, it says that the measure can tell us whether a value is about the average or whether it's unusually high or low. Measures of position give a range where a certain percentage of a data falls. The measures we consider here are quartile, decile, and percentile. So, madalas ginagamit natin tong measures of position from the word itself na to measure kung yung isang data ay nasaan ba siya kabilang or saan siya banda. Ganun yun. First, the quartile. It is a type of quantile which divides the number of data points into 4 parts or quarters. Diba, alam naman natin na when we say or when we're talking about the word qua, it means 4. So it divides the data into 4 parts. Then the data must be ordered from smallest to largest to compute quartiles. Quartiles, as it sounds phonetically, it is a statistical term that divides the data into 4 equal parts in order to locate where is the data located. So here is the formula in getting the quartile for ungrouped data. Makikita nyo dito na meron tayong Q subset K. So yung K, it stands for the quartile position. Kung ano ba yung hinahanap nating position ng given. Naka-parenthesis yung n plus 1 over 4. Yung n, ito yung total of number items dun sa given. In order para malaman kung saan ba siya nakalocate. So let's try. We have the example number 1. Find the Q3. Sabi niya, no? So let's disregard the sample given here, the Q1 and Q2. Let's focus on finding the Q3. So here are the given. We have 19, 12, 16, 0, 14, 9, 6, 1, 12, 13, 10, another 19, 7, 5, 8. So first thing that we should do is to arrange the given numbers from smallest to largest. So ito siya. Starts with 0, followed by 1, and then 19. Kung ano po ang lahat ng given, dapat po kasama po sila lahat doon sa i-arrange. Kahit na ulit-ulit yung 12, yung 19, still kasama siya. Ganun po nagsasolve or ganun po tayo kapag ungroup. Ito na po ang kanyang solution. So, yung nasabi ko kanina, K, yun yung number of quartile na hinahanap natin. So, we're looking for quartile 3, kaya po yung K ay 3. And then N is the total number of the given. So, we have 15. Kaya po 15 ang nandito. So, 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. Diba? Multiplied to 3 is equal to 48. Divided by 4, the answer is 12. So, the 12 number will be the quartile 3. Ganun po yun. So, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, yung given 14, yan, yung number 14, yun po ang ating quartile 3. Clear? So, yun. Clear po ang ating quartile. Next, we have the decile. So, deciles are measures of position calculated on a set of data. The deciles are the values that separate a distribution into 10 equal parts. So, again, kung dun sa quartile po, it's 4 because of the word qua. Here po on deciles, it's 10 from the word itself, dec. Remember, we have December, di ba? Pag ganon, 10 po ang pinag-uusapan. Kahit na ang December ay pang 12. Next, deciles are similar to quartiles because they are both dividing the data depende dun sa kung ilan yung measure nila. So, in deciles, we have 10. That's why we divide the data into 10 equal parts. Okay, clear? Here is the formula in getting the decile for ungrouped data. Dm subset m is equal to parenthesis m multiplied to n plus 1 over 10. Yung m, ito po yung hinahanap nating decile, no? Tapos yung n, again, it is the total number of the given item. Let's try. Here is the example number 2. So, sabi dito, find the decile 5 of the following set of data. So, the data given are 19, 12, 16, 0, 14, 9, 6, 1, 12, 13, 10, 19, 7, 5, and 8. Again, first thing to do is to arrange the data given into the smallest to largest. So, let's start with 1, followed by, let's start with 0, followed by 1, up to 19. So, in finding decile 5, you need to put the decile number here in the subset. Ito siya. So, 5 multiplied by 15 plus 1 is equal to 16 times 5. It's 80. And then divided by 10 because we're on the decile. So, 680 over 10 is equal to 8. So, 8 term, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, the number 10 that is given is the decile 5. Do you understand? Good. Next, let's move to the last measurement of position. It's the percentile. So, when you hear the word percent, what numbers comes to your mind? Very good. 100. Because we have 100%. Tama? So, percentiles are used to understand and interpret data. It is a measure of the relative standing of observation within a data. So, percentiles divide a set of observation into 100 equal parts. They indicate the values below which a certain percentage of the data in a data is found. It shows the percentage of scores that a particular score surpassed. So, madalas ginagamit po ang percentile kapag hinahanap natin kung ilang percent ba ang isang specific na data. Ganun po siya. So, here is the formula in solving percentile for ungrouped data. Una, yung subset po ng P is kung anong percent ang hinahanap natin. Diba? Yun po. So, lalagay mo siya doon, multiplied to the total number of observation. Given po yun. And then, divided by 100. Okay, so let's try. Here's the example. For the following height data collected from students, find the 10th and 95 percentiles. So, now ang gagawin natin, hahanapin po natin yung 10th percentile. The given are 91, 89, 88, 87, 89, 91, 87, 92, 90, 98, 95, 97, 96, 100, 101, 96, 98, 99, 98, 100, 102, 99, 101, 105, 103, 107, 105, 106, 107 ulit, at 112. So, first thing we do is to arrange the data given or the number given from the smallest to the largest. So, let's start with 87. Dahil dalawa po yung given na 87, isusulat ulit ang 87. Followed by 88 and then the rest up to 112. The biggest number is 112. So the solution will be like this. P subset 10 because we're looking for the percentile na 10. So yung pang 10 na percent dito ang hinahanap po natin. So it will become 10 multiplied by the number of data. It's 30. Diba? So, 10 times 30 is equal to 300. Then, divide mo siya sa 100 because we're on the percentile. So, all data should be divided by 100. Okay? So, 300 divided by 100 po is equal to 3. So, we're looking for the third observation. So, let's count. 1, 2, 3. So, do you follow, guys? Can you? Here, 87 is the first. Then the next is 87 again. So, the third will be 88. Okay, so the third observation in sorted data is 88. Meaning, the 10% of the observation of all the data are set less than 88. Okay? Is it all clear? Naiintindihan po ba? So, if you have questions, you can, of course, freely message me on my Messenger account. I'm always there. So, thank you guys for listening.